fosters fiber arts. Hello! Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher, you're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new, hi! I'm Shannon. I'm the Spoonie Stitcher. A Spoonie is somebody who has a chronic condition, and a Stitcher is somebody who makes art with textiles. This channel is all about creativity. Anything that makes your creative juices flowing, that's what we try to do on this channel. We've got baking, we've got cooking, we've got art, we've got crafting, we've got stuff with textiles, we've got animation, movie talk, all kinds of stuff on this channel. So if that sounds like something that sounds fun to you, maybe hit the subscribe button. Oh wait. Thank you so much. Maybe hit like button while you're down there as well. That tells the algorithm you want more stuff like this. Today, I don't know what we're gonna do, but stay tuned and we'll have fun together. Yarn for $12.99. I've got the white, the green, the gray, the blue, the brown, dark brown. Ooh, that's pretty. Purple. Ooh, they've got a dark green. Oven purple, black, orange, yellow, and I think that's the same orange. And they've got the Christmas ones. Turtle, bee, narwhal, strawberry, bunny, polar bear. I really like this one. Frog, avocado, Snoopy. And then down there is Fred the Dino. And I don't think I missed any. Oh, yep. There's a little pink one too. Sushi, Hello Kitty. Nice variety. On the other side we have the pineapple. Oh, we've got the Sanrio one, so we've got cinnamon roll and Melody. I'm so tempted to get Melody. The moose. Look at these $7.99 plushies. A little yarn skein, a little crochet hook. This one actually says Big Twist. Oh my gosh, this is like going to be a collector's item when this place goes under.
Oh, nice.
Scissors. Okay, y'all, so tempted to get the scissors. If you know, you know. They have these little, they're called Petite Big Twist. Look, I think it's the same colorways too. Yeah, this is Slime, one of my personal favorites. But now they have it in teeny tiny 87 yards. It's so cute. They've got it in a few colors here. Not many, but you know. And then of course they have the big twist cotton, which is always a fan favorite. So this is the new big twist totally tweed. 295 yards. 78 acrylic, 22 polyester. This is Disco Queen.
We interrupt this program to remind you to please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you feel like it, and join our wonderful creative community over here. And don't forget to ring the bell down below so you never miss a video. It helps the channel. Thank you so much. We now return to our regularly scheduled program.
Okay, so I went to JoAnn's, you saw all the footage. I talked to an employee, and yes, they really are going to go under. And there's lots of other videos all about that, so, you know, I got pretty much either JoAnn's branded yarn or yarn that is so far only sold at JoAnn so far, even though it's a different brand that owns it. Does that make sense? So this is Baby Bear. This is Big Twist Baby Bear. This is one of theirs. This is 240 yards for a 4-weight. They call it a 5, but guys, it's just really a thick 4. Honestly, when you start working with it, it's a thick 4. That's it. They want you to use a 6.5 millimeter, and it is 100% micro polyester. This color is called Sunshine. So I got some of the Juicy Couture yarn, again, if you're new, one of my favorites. This is the color Pearl. It's a very versatile yarn. I love this yarn. I've actually done a review all about this yarn. I will link it down below, and you can watch why this yarn is so great. But this is the Juicy Couture Luxe Velour Sparkle, 98% polyester, 2% metallic. The color is Pearl. And what else do I need to tell you? Oh, what it's made out of. No, I told you that. Yardage, that's what I need to tell you. 107 yards per skein. It's time for another installment of My Mother Likes to Go Shopping with Me. And she likes to put things in my cart. What did Mom put in my cart? Doon, 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 doon. So today on What Did Mom Put in My Cart? We have Big Twist Winter. This is a 6-weight, a self-striping yarn, and is 164 yards, 100% acrylic. She got 2 of these. I think this would make really cute stockings. What do you guys think? Let me know. There's more. Okay, so she put those in my cart. She also put Big Twist Twinkle, crowd favorite, in mulberry and sapphire. And red. Red. After all that, they call it red. Anyway. I love this sparkle yarn for many reasons. Let's go into why, because you're here. So, this yarn is 97% acrylic and 3% metallic fiber. 380 yards for a novelty yarn is kind of unheard of. Normally sparkle yarns, variegated yarns, all that kind of thing, they get fewer yards than their solid version. Not the Big Twist Twinkle. Big Twist Twinkle gets just as many yards as the solid counterpart. I'll show you, because I got a solid. This is the color Toffee, Big Twist Value, 380 yards. 380 yards. Isn't that interesting? So the other thing I like about this is all of the sparkles are the color of the yarn. So it's not a silver or a gold, although sometimes those are very pretty. I like the matching sparkle. I like that a lot. So, and she knows that. So she got me red mulberry and sapphire. She got me 2 of each. And I didn't know that at the time. So I too grabbed sapphire. So I have 4 of them now. And then I think I have another toffee here. Yes, this brown was just so pretty and I could just see so many uses for it. So if you've never had Big Twist value, it's a JoAnn's branded yarn. Big Twist is JoAnn's. And it is 380 yards. It's 100% acrylic. It's a medium number 4 and you're supposed to use a 5-weight hook. I mostly make amigurumi, so, you know. But I do make other things. But I usually use a much smaller hook than a 5. I do like this. It tells you if you get 4 skeins, you can make a blanket that is 50 by 60. 3 skeins, you can make an adult sweater. 1 skein, you can make a hat. And 1 skein, you can make a scarf. Pretty cool. I also got black. This is the only black in the store. This was the only Big Twist value black in the whole store. And it wasn't where it was supposed to be, but I found it. Somebody put it back. So, not where it was supposed to go, but I found it. Because I needed black. I actually went for black yarn. Oh, you like my nightgown? If you're new here, I'm a Spoonie and I have my daytime nightgowns and my nighttime nightgowns. Because I hardly ever leave my house. Anyway, okay. You know I love a neon. If you're new here, I love neon and sparkle. I am very strange. I also love variegated yarns, and yet I don't have as many variegated yarns as I thought I did. So, anyway, this is also Big Twist value in the color Safety Yellow. You make that for somebody who runs, make this into like a knit cap or something, or a crochet cap, into a hat for somebody who runs, cars will see them. So I think that's why it's called Safety Yellow. Same amount of yardage, same amount of material. Look how bright it is. Oh my stars. I don't even have the best lighting in here right now and it's so bright. It's crazy. And last but not least, if you know I'm working on my Wicked blanket, they didn't have any of the green, but they did have the pink. So I got more of the Big Twist Rave in pink. So my plan is if I run out of green, it's just gonna be a very pink heavy blanket. They didn't have any green. They didn't have any green online. The green is completely gone. So if I don't have enough skeins, then I'm just gonna have to change my design a little bit and that'll be okay. But I do have the pink. So the Rave yarn is a roving yarn and it is 312 yards, premium acrylic. I don't really know why it's called premium acrylic because it has lots of little fuzzies. I'm just saying. Normally premium acrylic, the fuzzies are pretty low. These are pretty high. So this is called Scene Queen. And they want you to use quite a big hook if I remember. Oh no, okay, 4.5, never mind. I was thinking of a different yarn. So it's pink and black, which is pretty fun. So yeah. And I'm just gonna put these back in the bucket for now. So I have plans for most of these. Am I gonna tell you about them? No. Is there stuff that I also got that I didn't show you because I'm working on a special project? Yes. So there's also a few yarns I didn't show you that I got there. Unfortunately, it was not Baby Bear, but I also love Big Twist Posh, and they had like nothing. So I went online and I guess people did not know that there was a sale going on because all of the bright colors were in stock. Y'all, I have never been able to get my hands on more than gray and brown for Posh yarn, but I grabbed some colors this time. I have plans for corgis. Come on, if you're not new, you knew it was coming. Corgis. I make corgis. This is what I do. But I have some really fun ideas for corgis. Will you see them this year though? I don't know. But when the yarn comes in, I will either tack it onto this video or I will make a separate video. We'll see. So I also got another color of this, which is very unusual. But again, I have plans for it. So I'm sad that JoAnn's is going under, but you know, somebody could swoop in last minute and grab it. I know that there are a lot of people pushing for celebrities to buy it, and I really like this suggestion about Dolly Parton buying it and calling it Jolene's. And people donating yarn, and the donations will be called Coat of Many Colors. If you know, you know. It's fabulous. It's a great idea. I hope she sees it. I hope she does it. I know she supports the crafting community. I would personally like Sutton Foster to buy it. She's a crocheter, and I think she could do something really fun with it. Maybe we could even have something that's related to Once Upon a Mattress. Or Thoroughly Modern Millie, which she got her Tony for, so, you know. Call it Foster's. Foster's Fiber Arts. Now, what I think will happen is that if it goes under, some of these brands, the ones I showed you, like the Juicy Couture and stuff, they will have to find a new home. So somewhere online, we will be able to buy Juicy Couture again. They're too big a brand to just die out. No. And the yarn constantly sells out. So that's a sign. They're gonna keep it. They're gonna put it somewhere. I don't know where. At the moment, you could probably shop at my house, but that's another story. And don't come here. Yeah, so some of the brands, you know, they'll be sold other places. Obviously, Lion brand is sold at JoAnn's. It has its own website. Yarnspiration sells Red Heart and Bernat and all of those. So the only ones we're really worried about is the Big Twist, which is a JoAnn's brand. So I don't really know what they're gonna do with that, but we'll see. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had fun on this little excursion. I got to leave my house. Thanks to some lovely people who I know prayed for me, so all my love. And I hope you guys have a really lovely day. Please join the Facebook group down below, see a sneak peek of what I'm working on. Maybe get a free pattern or two and join some discussions over there. It's really fun. You just have to answer 2 questions and agree to the rules. They're really easy. Thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate all of you. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too.